Hello YouTube. 1955 Ford 640 tractor. I think technically this would be a 1954. I read some conflicting reports that a very early 600 series tractor with a low serial number would technically be made in 1954, but they were called 1955. Some things that I notice about this tractor are that it appears to have the style of running board that a Jubilee or an NAA would have, 53, 54. It does not, however, have the toolbox in the running board. It does have the separate toolbox like a 600 series would have, but it has this square patterned running board. A later 600 series, like my other tractor, has the round holes straight through. I also noticed that this tractor has solid rear wheels on it, although I'm not sure if at some point these rear wheels were changed out. Usually they have the star shape to the wheels. It's possible though that these wheels could have been taken from something else at a later point in its life and put on it, as I'm pretty sure that these front wheels are not original to this. You can see how deep they are, the offset. I'm sure that these were put on from something, a newer tractor. On this, they just fit on there. Has inner wheel weights on it. This tractor is equipped with a Sherman over and underdrive transmission. It's part of the reason why I purchased it. The story behind this tractor is that it actually came from my neighbor's farm, which is less than an 1/8 mile up the street. And it wound up on the other side of town, only about 3 miles away. And that's where I saw it, because the man that I bought it from was a friend of the people that owned the farm previously to the owner that lives there now. I can only guess that the tractor may have been equipped with the Sherman because the farm was quite larger than it is now, and apparently it covered quite a bit of area on this road, so maybe possibly the higher speed of the Sherman helped them out when they were traveling on the road to get from point A to point B quicker, and maybe they also possibly were able to utilize the lower gears for the work that they were doing with it. It's in rough shape. It does run. I'm going to include some videos of it when I first brought it home and what I did to get it running. It has the 3-point on it. This arm here is bent. The control lever for it's actually frozen. I have to work on getting that freed up. I'm going to try and locate some good used wheels and tires that hold air for now. These are rotted out, loaded with calcium. They do not hold air. I was able to get air into one, this one here, I think, and it only held for about an hour and then it went flat. The other one I couldn't even get air in it. I do plan to fully restore this tractor like my other one, but for this year, for right now, I would like to just get it so that it's moving. More than likely, it's probably going to need a new hood. You can see that there's a large patch put over the front there. Nose has been welded and bondoed together. Sides may be savable. Tower's got some holes and stuff drilled in it. Maybe that could be repaired. Hood has, center hood piece has hinges screwed onto it. It's obviously been repainted a few times, but you can see where the original decals are or were on it. Here, here, and here. And you can see the original paint, the color, the dark gray. Inside of the gas tank is in good shape. I was pleased to find that. That's about all there is to show for now. Well, we have the very first signs of life here. Stuck a new battery in it. Found out that well, first off, it's got 2 key switches here. I don't know what's going on with that. Took me a minute to realize that the original starter button has been replaced with this starter button. But we don't have a key, so gotta power the ignition somehow here and check to see if we can get spark or if we have spark.